ito si Gian, pinaka main man ng San Antonio Uno.
Trying to shoot. Lucido. 3. Mendoza. Vamos al 3. Yes, sir.
Sayang lang at
Iniwan nila Pugot.
that game may medyo kinapos sila.
And si Ivan Marasigan. Natapik ulit ni Wendell Calusa with basket. Ang bola para sa konsepsyon. Lucido. Cosmo Subianes. Kick out to Calusa. Calusa with a floater. 2 points. And Ramos. Feel good. But a good pass good by Marasigan. Calusa takes the pass ulit. Lucido. Offensive rebound by Calusa. And Mendoza. Pinasa ilalim. Nice pass.
Uli ang buhay.
Paso-Pasco. Nakakita si Calusa. Bumukol ang 3. Calusa.
Ngayon ng Velvet.
May dama ng bola.
Dati ating
Calusa Smith.
first time ko siya nakasama sa ano eh.
Nice pass. Iniwan nila
SDDN.
Dicho. Lucido. Dribbling the ball. Lucido. Nasubutan. Saves to Landicho. Landicho using the glass for 2. Calusa. Taps. Nakakuha ang binigay kay Lucido. 10 seconds to shoot. Nice pass de las Alas. 5 seconds. Nice pass para Sigan with the basket. Calusa. 5 seconds. Calusa puts up on 2. Basket. Official score. Calusa. Sa atake. Calusa drives. Basket. Video points to Tolentino. Tolentino atake. Tolentino gets the basket. Shoot. Time to shoot. Bunyi fires. Bunyi. 3. Again. Diskarte. Calusa 10 to shoot. Paro on 3. Yes, sir. And Safilio gets the basket. Caro. And seen by Safilio. Safilio saves. Nice pass. 2 points. Bunyi kicks out. Caro again. 10 to shoot. Caro na ipit. Amante pass break. Safilio. Calusa. Nice Caro. 10 to shoot. Back to Calusa. Nice pass to Gabas.
Gandang pasan.
Bunyi. 8 seconds to shoot. And still Mendoza. Pass break to Enriquez. Safilio. Lays it in basket. Calusa. Open. Tingnan ang bola. Nakakuha ni Bunyi. Short jumper is good. Safilio rin na basket. Ramos. Pumukol ng press. Pasok yan. Mendoza na. Safilio. Open. Another 3. Yes, sir.
Sa standing.
Calusa taps. Labas. Lucido. Lucido gets the lucky bounce. 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Safilio. Basket count. Plus the foul. 4-point lead. Ang halang bola. Pass to Mendoza.
Maraming salamat po.
Through ball. Calusa pushing the ball. Calusa. Pass Calusa. Basket. Binigay Lucido bola. Wendell takes Calusa. Fires from the corner. 3. Mendoza. Mendoza. Pass. Mendoza with the basket.
Shoutout pala, andito na yung barangay chairman ng barangay San Antonio Uno. Dito na si chairman. Dito sa kanyang representative ng kanilang barangay.
Mendoza takes a 3. Yes, sir. Grabs the rebound. Safilio. Pass Marasigan for 3. Yes, sir. Safilio on the wide open 3. Kapos sa tira. Labas kay Marasigan. 10 to shoot. Mendoza takes and he hits. Kalusa Raps. Nice pass. De Las Alas. Huli lang.
Ganda rin ng pasang yun.
Mendoza pushing the ball. Mendoza pushing the ball. Nice pass.
Wow!
Sida. Kaya, pasok Kalusa. Delay kay Kaya. Wala. Kaya, spins, rise, pass. Delay kay Kaya. Wala. Kaya, spins, rise, basket. Nice move. Salas. Sagatong papasahan. Kaya. Let's go. Gets the foul. How about jersey number 10?
Tutok.
Mendoza. Passes of video. Cross court pass to Ramos for 3. Gets the lucky bounce. On 55. Kalusa takes jumper basket. Attacks. And seal De Las Alas. Kalusa to Pasco. Basket. De Las Alas back to Kaya. Kaya. First na 2. Basket. No good. And a rebound. Nakuha ni Kalusa. Pushing the ball. Kalusa to Pasco. Basket. Still 20 seconds. Pass break. Ramos. Fast fake. 2 points. Official score 6. And still has some video. Some video drives for 2. Kalusa on a long 2. Short. Kalusa pa rin. Gets offensive rebound. Takes. Kalusa. Traveling violation. Riley. Amante. Basket. Riley fires from 3. No good. The rebound from Vilio. Basket count. That's the foul. 10 to shoot. The single for 3. No good. And the rebound. Now Picho under the basket. The single. 10 seconds to shoot. Pasco from the corner. Yes, sir. Lapugo takes a 2. Basket.
Kung pwedeng tawagan yung player.
Video finds. Ramos fakes. Ramos fires and hits a 3. 10 seconds to shoot. El Lucido gets back. 10 seconds to shoot. Kalusa fires. Yes, sir. Lapugo de las Alas to Picho gets the basket. Some video and Iwan Enriquez with the floater gets the basket. Lucido taps, drives and gets the basket.